Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Say Resas, and in today's video, I am going to be sharing to you guys the skincare products and the bath essentials that I use in order for me to achieve this kind of skin that I have right now. Well, of course, bakit ito yung topic ko ngayon? So, ito yung topic ko ngayon sa another sit-down video ko kasi si Miss Veronica Ancheta, who is a really avid viewer of mine, requested me to do this kind of vlog. And thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, Bebe, for requesting and recommending this topic for my vlog. And ito na nga siya. So, ito na yun. Para sa'yo to. And syempre, para sa inyo din, sa mga nanonood dito sa vlogs ko. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe na, and do not forget to like this video. And later, kung may comments kayo and recommendations or suggestions, always feel free lang na i-type nyo yung mga yan at ilagay sa comment box. Okay, so below. Saan ba ako mag-uumpisa? So siguro mag-uumpisa muna ako sa skincare products na ginagamit ko sa face ko. So dito muna tayo sa pang facial wash, facial scrub, or facial foam na ginagamit ko. Actually, these products that I use were sponsored or were given to me by Just Beauty PH. They sell Korean skincare products, authentic and original skincare products from Korea na sila mismo yung bumibili. Direct talaga silang pumupunta doon. And guaranteed na original sila. Okay? So, binigay nila sa akin itong mga skincare products na to. Pero, it doesn't mean na kaya ko sila binabanggit dito sa vlog ko is because they were sponsored, they were given to me. No. Ginagamit ko talaga sila. So, para patunay, so dito muna tayo sa facial foam. So, ito ay Innisfree. So, binanggit ko na rin tong mga to nung nireview ko sila doon sa vlog ko, yung skincare products. So, tignan nyo na rin doon. And, ayan siya. It's Innisfree Apple Sea Deep Cleansing Foam. I really love this one kasi kapag ginamit mo siya, konting-konti lang, really a pea-sized amount na lalagay mo sa mukha mo, ang dami na niya. And after you put this on your face, you can feel that your face is really smooth. Ayan. And makikita mo na talaga na nag-glow yung face mo. Not literally na talagang glow na parang shining, shimmering, splendid yung face mo. No, you can see it naman eh, diba? You can see after, the before and after you use a product. So, another one is, ayan siya. So, makikita nyo, kaya masabi kong ginagamit ko talaga siya. Ayan. Nawasak na sila. Nakikita nyo ba guys? Ayan. So, nawasak na, may punit na. Ayan. So, napakabigat siguro ng kamay ko. So, another is, ayan, from Just Beauty PH din to. So, it's Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Pore Scrub Foam. Ito yung ginagamit ko. So, ang scrub, guys, gagamitin nyo lang siya once or twice a week lang. Hindi pwedeng everyday yan, okay? Unlike, a facial foam, pwedeng everyday mo gamitin yan. Magilamos ka sa umaga, maligo ka, magilamos ka sa gabi, pwedeng mong gamitin yan. Pero yung facial scrubs, okay, mga facial scrubs, I suggest every once or twice a week nyo lang silang gamitin. So, ito, bigay din. So, sabi ko talagang ginagamit ko to kasi ayan, nawarak na sila guys, pero sobrang daming laman. Sobrang sulit talaga. So, dahil ito yung dito siya binubuksan, dito ako kumukuha, pero dahil sira na siya, dito na lang. So, pinipit-pit ko na lang siya. O, tapos, konting-konting amount lang talaga, pea-size, very, ano na yan, pasado na yan, very worth it na, sulit na. Hindi mo na kailangan ng damihan kasi very foamy na siya talaga. And, meron tong mga small beads, okay? Pag pinahid mo, para kang merong small beads na mararamdaman, or meron ka talagang small beads na mararamdaman sa face mo, okay, while you are scrubbing your face. So, I really love this one also because it smoothens my face and it gives glow. Okay? Is from Just Beauty PH. Okay, so take note, lahat ng Korean skincare products na babanggitin ko dito, bigay to ng Just Beauty PH. Okay? Pero, again, emphasize ko lang, ginagamit ko talaga sila. So, this is the Innisfree Green Tea Sleeping Mask. So, ayan siya. Ganyan siya sa loob. And, ginagamit ko to every night. Or, actually, guys, sobrang tamad ko talaga sa skincare. My gosh. Ang tamad-tamad ko. Pag feel ko lang na maglagay, Doon ako naglalagay, pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, kahit dun sa unang vlog ko, skincare is a must. Okay? Dapat ginagawa natin yan parate, araw-araw. Kasi it gives us the glow that we want. It lightens our skin, and especially it boosts our mood. Diba? Self-care is love nga, diba? Every time na naglalagay ka ng skincare products yan, every time na pinapamper mo yung sarili mo, nabuboost yung confidence eh. Ako ganun yung nafe-feel ko. Kaya gustong-gusto ko naglalagay kahit ang tamad-tamad ko. So, sa family ng Innisfree Green Tea, ayan, yung mga green tea version na yan, okay? Meron tayong Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. Ito yung serum na ginagamit ko, okay? So, after ko mag-facial wash or facial scrub, ang unang-una kong ginagawa is I put this serum on my face, okay? So, after this serum, I use this Innisfree Balancing Toner EX, okay? So, after nung serum, ito na yung ginagamit ko, itong toner. Itong toner na to, it's different from other toners kasi yung ibang toner na ginagamit ko, okay, ginagamitan ko ng bulak or ng cotton. Pero ito hindi. Actually, I really don't know how to use this one, pero I searched for it on the internet, and ayun nga, nakita ko nga na after nung seed serum, ito na yung gagamitin. Correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Okay, the next one is this Innisfree Green Tea Balancing Lotion X. So, after nung toner, ito na yung nilalagay ko. So, it's a skin lotion, okay? Sa face. It's a face lotion. So, first is the facial wash muna tayo, no? Okay? Kung feel mong mag-facial scrub, facial scrub. Pero pag nag-facial scrub ka na, huwag ka na mag-facial wash or facial foam. So, first step, facial foam. Second is the serum. Third is the toner. Okay? And then fourth is the lotion. And then after that, ito na ang Green Tea Balancing Cream X. Okay? So, it's a cream look. O, sino magsasabing hindi ko sila ginagamit, diba? So, ginagamit ko talaga sila. Konti na lang to, my God. Nalulungkot ako. And, medyo pricey itong mga to, pero sobrang sulit naman. Kasi makikita nyo naman, diba? Oh my God. Diba? Hindi sa nagmama-feeling ako, pero nakikita ko talaga yung glow sa mukha ko because of these skincare products. Okay? The next one is this Innisfree Aloe Revital Skin Mist. So, I really love this mist a lot. Kasi, talagang fini-freshen up niya yung face ko and yung mood ko, diba? Sobrang kapag, for example, nasa labas ako or nasa work, then sobrang init. So, if I want to be freshen up, just spray. And then, tapos na. Actually, nawawala yung pang-spray na dito. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Kaya nilipat ko na lang siya sa maliit na container. Oh my God, it's raining. Sorry guys, kung maririnig nyo sa background na umuulan. Okay lang yan anyway, diba? Okay? So, yung kaninang pinakita ko, kasama din siya. So, after nun, maglagay, ito ng sleeping mask. Okay? After ng lahat ng nilagay natin, ito ng sleeping mask. Okay? So, by the way, itong sleeping mask, pwede rin nyo siyang ilagay. Pag minsan tinatamad ako, sabi ko nga, diba, tinatamad ako, ito na lang din yung nilalagay ko. So, facial foam or facial scrub din dito. Okay? Kung sinipag naman kayo lahat nung binanggit ko. Okay? By the way, guys, meron din pala ako ditong Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. It was also given to me by Just Beauty PH, and it is from Vanilla Co. Ito naman, guys, balm siya sa face, and ginagamit ko siya kapag tinatamad ako maghilamos, and then gusto kong tanggalin yung makeup ko sa mukha ko. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, okay guys, so yun nga pala yung mga K-products na ginagamit ko talaga for my skincare routine. And ngayon naman, papakitaan ko naman kayo or sasabihin ko naman yung mga alternative skincare products na ginagamit ko kapag wala akong Korean products na ginagamit, okay? So yun yung mga ginagamit kong skincare Korean products. And ngayon naman, pupunta naman tayo dun sa mga products na ginagamit ko which are not from Korea or which are not Korean products, and these are organic, which I really love. Okay, so guys, love na love ko ang mga organic skincare products, organic food, okay? And actually, I have my lip tint business. It is organic, or those lip tints that we sell are all organic. So please, if you are interested, just search on IG at eras.ph and on Facebook at eras.ph, okay? And these are the organic skincare products that I use. So this is from Human Nature Hydrating Creamy Wash. It is 100% no harmful chemicals, and this is really hydrating, guys. I really love this so much kasi I really do have oily skin, but whenever I use this skincare product, I feel that my face is really moisturized, my skin is really moisturized. Okay, so sorry guys kasi maingay na yung background kasi umuulan ng malakas dito, okay? And kailangan na natin tapusin itong vlog ito. Itutuloy ko na lang sana siya mamaya. Kaya lang, I decided na ituloy na lang to. So, please bear with me. I'm so sorry, okay? So, this is the Human Nature Nourishing Face Toner. No harmful chemicals and mild and gentle care. Okay, so this is tomato face toner. So, I use this and nilalagay ko siya sa cotton and then pinapahid ko siya sa face. Sorry, naputol tayo guys. So, nasa na ba ako kanina? So, nandito ako. So, I really love this facial toner kasi it makes my skin fresh and glowy. O, yun. So, ang keyword ko yata ngayon is glow or glowy. Kanina pa ako nag-glow-glowy. Napansin ko lang eh. Well, of course, ganun talaga kasi yung effect ng mga skincare products, diba? Ano pa bang sasabihin natin, okay? And another thing is, napakamura lang nito at saka nitong Human Nature Facial Foam. I already forgot the price of this one, but I think it's 100 plus. And 100 plus or 200, something like that. So, depende sa size. And then, search na lang ninyo, guys. Okay? So, ayan siya. And then, here is the toner. Yung gantong size, 100 ml is 99.75 pesos. Okay? So, ayun guys. So, yun yung mga skincare products na ginagamit ko sa face ko. And now, let's move on to the skincare products that I use on my body or yung mga bath essentials natin. Actually, guys, wala talaga akong bath essentials. Okay? Ang ginagamit ko lang talaga is Safeguard. Ang sabon ko lang is Safeguard. Okay? I do not use any bath essentials. Pero, syempre, kung may opportunity na nakabili ako, diba? Or kung pinapadalhan, ayun, ginagamit ko sila. Okay? Pero, ang ginagamit ko lang talaga actually is Safeguard. Okay? I really love the soap and kasi for me, very important yung sa germs, yung tinatanggal niya yung germs, diba? Anyway, marami din naman pampaganda na nagtatanggal ng germs dyan, okay? So, depende na lang sa preference natin. But, as of now, naubusan kami ng Safeguard, so ito ang binili namin. Okay, so this is Palmolive Naturals. Okay, so in short, I really don't have any specific bath essentials, okay? Except for the Safeguard. Okay, so ang ginagamit, kung anong nasa CR, kung anong available sa bathroom, sa CR, sa comfort room, yun ang ginagamit ko, in short. Okay? And then, my lotion is this St. Ives. Okay? This is St. Ives Revitalizing. Okay? It's 100% of the daily hydration your skin needs to glow. Okay? So, this St. Ives claims to revitalize our skin. Okay? And instantly hydrates for a vibrant, healthy glow. O, diba? Nandiyan na naman yung word na glow tayo. And, very important ito for me. It is paraben-free. Okay. Mula nung nagbuntis ako hanggang sa nagpapa-breastfeed ako hanggang ngayon, na breastfeeding mom pa rin ako, iniwasan ko yung paraben. Okay? Iniwasan ko lahat ng toxic materials. So, minsan, tatanong ko pa talaga sa sales lady, meron bang paraben to? Meron bang ganito? Meron bang dimeticon to? Meron bang propylene glycol to? O yun. So, iniiwasan ko talaga yung mga chemicals na yan kasi harmful sila sa pregnant women and sa breastfeeding women. Okay? But take note guys, hindi maiiwasan tong mga klase ng chemicals, lalong-lalo na sa cosmetics and sa mga skincare products kasi preservatives sila. Okay? And actually, I am really a fan of organic products. Okay? Sa kakasabi ko lang kanina. And, pinaka-importante guys na dapat nyo malaman is, okay, this is, I think, my very secret to having a glowing skin. Okay? So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, safeguard lang yung sabon ko, Palmolive, or hindi, ito na lang guys. So, wag ko na lang nilalangi yung safeguard or yung Palmolive, okay? So, don't get me wrong, okay? So, sinasabi ko lang na safeguard and Palmolive, hindi naman kasi sila whitening products, diba? Okay, kaya nasabi ko na ito lang yung mga sabon na ginagamit ko. They are not whitening products, but they make my skin glow, okay? And make my skin whiten and fresh, okay? Siguro dahil hiyang ko sila, okay? Or hindi naman siguro sensitive yung skin ko. And kasi yung mga skincare products na ginagamit natin, okay? It all depends on our skin, okay? And this is my very secret, as I was saying a while ago. So, makikita nyo, meron akong lemon dito, lemon and cucumber. Ito, everyday talaga to guys. This is my water detox. Hindi nawawala ang lemon dyan, hindi nawawala ang cucumber dyan. Kung wala man akong cucumber, lalagyan ko ng apple. Kung wala man akong lemon, lalagyan ko ng orange, peras, ayan, or kung ano-ano man. So, itong water detox na to, it cleanses out all the toxins from our body, okay? Kaya, very important talaga siya. And, not only that, okay? So, as I was saying, binibigyan niya or fina-freshen up niya yung skin natin, okay? Nilalighten niya yung skin natin, of course. Diba yung lemon, it whitens, it lightens skin. And, of course, water detox, this is very important for me. This is my secret because it boosts my mind, it boosts my mood, okay? So, every time na umiinom ako nito, nare-relax talaga ako. And feeling ko talaga ayun. Oh my God, out of words ako. Feeling ko talaga, feel ko ang pagka-fresh ko. Ayun. And of course, another tip is that, nililiit niya yung shan natin, okay? Yung belly natin, binabawasan niya. And yung weight natin, okay? This is also perfect for body loss. For weight loss, okay? This is important for weight loss, okay? For skin glow, for making your skin fresh, okay? For boosting your mind, diba? So, 3-in-1 yan. And marami pang other benefits, okay? So, this is my very secret. And of course, guys, nasa tamang pagkain ang pagkakaroon ng glowy na skin, ng fresh ng skin. And number 2, my secret is I do exercise. Okay? So, pagpawisan lang ako ng konti, okay na sa akin yun. Enough na sa akin yun. Okay? Not just for having a healthy body, but also having a healthy, glowy skin. Okay? So, very important, water detox, and then food, okay, na kinakain natin. And, pangalawa is exercise. So, very important talaga yon. And, bawas-bawasan din natin yung mga junk foods and yung mga nakakasama sa health natin as well as sa skin natin, okay? So, try nyo rin mag-search ng mga other food na dapat i-avoid natin para magkaroon tayo ng healthy skin, okay? So, I think that's all for today. So, ayun nga. So, my secrets are having skincare products, the right skincare products for me. Kakasabi ko sa inyo kanina na depende yan sa skin. There are products that work on me that might not work on you. So, i-discover nyo na lang yan. I-explore nyo na lang siya. So, these are just my my tips for you, okay? I am just sharing for you. I am just sharing to you my secrets, okay? And, ano pa, exercise and water detox, okay? So, healthy food, kailangan niyang mga yan, okay? So, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you will be updated once I upload my next video. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. Bye!